Hello there. Well, after the exceptionally mild temperatures of recent days, it's certainly going to be feeling much colder out there for many today, and that's because we've had this system that's been sinking its way south and eastwards. It's a cold front, and behind that much fresher air will follow. Now you can see there's plenty of lovely sunshine as we go through the day, but we'll have a cold northerly wind blowing its way across us, still bringing in further showers across parts of Scotland, which again could be of snow in places and a few wintry showers elsewhere. But for most, a good deal of dry weather for the rest of daylight hours. We're feeling very cold out there today. At best, we're looking at highs of 6 or 7 degrees, but you factor in that wind chill, well, for some areas it will be feeling well below freezing. Now, as we go through this evening and tonight, it stays windy out there, and that wind continues to blow in further showers across parts of Scotland and western areas, and again, some of these could be wintry at times, so there'll be a few issues with some frost and ice, and for many of us elsewhere it will be dry and clear and feeling pretty cold. Bye-bye. Hello again. After a record-breaking start to the new year with temperatures over 16 degrees in places, winter certainly made a comeback today. It has been feeling pretty raw out there. Now, as we go through the next few days, overall it is going to be staying very cold out there. There will be some showers or longer spells of rain, which could be of sleet and snow in places, and at times it will once again be turning rather windy. Now let's take a look at the bigger picture. Well, today we had those biting northerly winds really taking the edge off those temperatures, but on Wednesday we've got high pressure in charge of things, so for most of us, give or take the odd shower, there will be plenty of dry and sunny weather, but it will be turning quite cold, especially as we go into tomorrow night. There will be a widespread frost, and then we've got another system moving in from the west, and as it collides with that cold air, it could be seeing some sleet and snow in place, and it will be quite blustery too. So all in all, changeable and wintry weather to come. Now, in the meantime, for the rest of tonight, we've still got some snow showers moving into parts of Scotland and the odd wintry shower elsewhere. But for most of us, a largely dry picture out there with clear skies. But it is going to be cold. Where we've seen the showers, there will be some icy stretches, and there will also be a widespread frost. So Wednesday morning gets off to a cold start to the day first thing. Still quite windy out towards coastal areas, and again, maybe the odd shower around, especially across parts of Scotland and Northern Ireland into Wales and southwest England. But for most of us, a good deal of fine and dry weather as we go through tomorrow. Plenty of winter sunshine out there, but keep those extra layers handy. It's going to be another cold one. Highs ranging between 4 and 8 degrees. Bye-bye. Hello and a very good evening to you. Hope you're all keeping well. So cold and wintry conditions as we go through the next few days. Though at least on Wednesday for many of us it's going to be fine and settled, but from Thursday onwards, changeable weather. There will be a few showers around, which could be of sleet and snow, and it is going to be windy at times too. Now, for the rest of tonight, we've still got that cold northerly wind, and it will continue to drive in a few more snow showers across parts of Scotland, so there will be some icy stretches here. Elsewhere, well, the odd shower across parts of Northern Ireland into Wales and the Midlands, which could be wintry, but for most, dry with clear skies, and there will be a frost too. So tomorrow morning gets off to a cold, a frosty and a blustery start to the day first thing. There will be 1 or 2 showers around, but for most of us as we go through the afternoon, we've got a ridge of high pressure, which means for many, fine and dry conditions, plenty of winter sunshine, but rapid warm. It's going to be very cold at their highs at best, up to around 7, possibly 8 degrees.